Welcome to a new episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, we're going to be teaching you how to make a quick Mexican appetizer called Queso Fundido. So stay tuned and we'll be showing you how to do it right away. All right, welcome back. So we're gonna start off with dicing 3 Roma tomatoes. So just like I showed you in the first couple of episodes, today what we don't want the flesh of it too much, or I should say more of the meat of it. We just want the flesh because we don't want our queso fundido coming out too watery. So what I like to do is peel it down just like this. Then all you do is dice it. What we're doing here is getting all our ingredients together for our queso fundido so we're ready to go when it's time. This is the longest process that you'll be doing in this dish. It's a pretty quick dish. Also, make sure you have your oven set to 350 because it will be going in the oven right after you're all prepped up. Set your tomato aside. Next, grab 3 green onions. Start with the green side first. I usually take the ends off just to make sure I don't get any of the wilted parts. There you go. Discard the whites, you're not going to need those. Next, take your jalapeno. We're going to leave the vein out and the seeds out. So just take it down the sides just like that. Small dice. Next, you're going to take your cilantro with stems included. As you saw in episode 1 when we made guacamole, I like using the stems. I find it has the most vitamins and also the most taste of cilantro. Next, you're going to take 1 piece of chorizo. This is a mild chorizo. It's not the spicy because you're already going to add a jalapeno, so you don't need the extra spice. You're just going to open it like this and keep it to the side. Now comes the fun part, building it. We're going to take a skillet. We're going to spray it with a little pan spray. We're going to add the chihuahua cheese. We're going to add some tomato. We're going to add some green onion. We're going to add some cilantro, some jalapeno. Now you're going to take your chorizo, spread it over. Just like that. Then we're going to take another layer of cheese. Push down because it's going to melt and it's going to condense. Tomato again, green onion again, jalapeno again, cilantro, and again chorizo. This will be your last layer. Like, same process. Cheese, push down. Tomato, onion, jalapeno, and cilantro. Doesn't have to look pretty, but it's going to taste amazing. So when it's done, it looks just like this. Chorizo on top. It's going to go in the oven, like I said, for exactly 20 minutes. You can go low, 325, or you can go 350 if you want it a little crunchy on the top. So stay tuned. We're going to come right back after it's done cooking. Welcome back. It's been 20 minutes and the queso fundido is coming out the oven as we speak. I wish you could smell this because it smells amazing. As you can see, the cheese is nicely melted. It's bubbling. It's beautiful. That's what you're looking for, is that nice crispy top. What I do here is mostly serve it with little chips, and then all you do is just put it in, and you can taste it. See how it melts? That's what you're looking for. Thank you so much again for another great episode. Please feel free to leave any comments in the comment section. I will have the recipe posted down below. Thank you so much, and see you next week.